Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In this video, we are going to explore our electronic archiving system. Let's explore the idea first before we get into the details of the system. If you have millions of papers that you need to transform into an electronic format, then in this case, you do not just need an archiving solution, you need a very fast archiving solution that can transform those millions of papers and documents into an electronic format. So our system is built using Oracle ADF technology, and we're using a lot of ADF and Java components in order to achieve the speed in archiving the documents. So we log into the system using username and password, and here is the main page. Of course, we have some small system management screens like reference tables, departments used, department and section, the document locations, document types, priorities, and security levels. These are just lookups used in the system. In users, here you define your users, username, password, first name, last name, whether he's active or not, his type is admin or user, and the department he belongs to, of course, based on the reference defined in the previous screen. And here is the privilege screen. You define your roles, and once you define your roles, you have here the privileges for each role, the standard privileges for each screen, and we have the insert, update, delete, and query privileges. And here we define the users belonging to that role. Now we are going to start the process of archiving. Process of archiving can be 1 step, can be 4 steps, and can be 5 steps. We're going to explore the ideal process. We're going to divide the process into 5 different parts. First of all, we must scan the documents. This is the first step that must be done. Now, whenever I start scanning, you define first a page, okay, or a folder. So once you define a folder like this, then the system is going to create a folder for that page. Now, what the user is going to do is to click Start Scanning. Now, Start Scanning is going to connect to the scanner. We support almost all kinds of scanners and all models, and we support auto feed as well. So the system is going to start scanning the files and is going to detect blank paper and is going to divide the files among the blank paper. So if we have, for example, 10 papers and a blank page, then 5 pages, then the system is going to create 2 files, one having 10 pages and the other one is having 5 pages, and it is going to be displayed here like files with number of pages, and of course you can show and delete if you have a problem in this. Once you finish scanning, then you can transfer it to the second step. So first step, you can scan all your documents in a very easy way, and it can be distributed among more than one person to scan. Now, second step is to verify scanned files. Now the system is going to display the folders and the files scanned inside this folder, and it is going to be displayed in the viewer like this. So you can check it, make sure that its quality is perfect. Here is another document, and here is another document having multiple pages. You just click on the page number and it is displayed. Once you make sure everything is okay, then you can click verify to transfer to the second step. But what if this page has a problem in its quality, it is folded, it is rotated, whatever? Then you can simply delete the page and you can add before or add after. Then we're going to scan again from the scanner and insert the new page. It is going to manipulate the document and modify it to insert before or after. Even you can rotate. If this is the only problem, you don't have to scan it again. You can rotate whether clockwise or anti-clockwise, and of course you can here do the zooming like this. It is going to zoom all pages of the document directly. So once you're done, you're satisfied with the scan quality, you can click verify to transfer to the third step. In third step, we assign folders, like we have scanned folders in the first step, and we verified it in the second step. So what we are going to do is to distribute the folders among our users. So we have defined our users in one of the screens. So in this case, I assigned these two folders to this user, and this user does not have any folder assigned, and there are no available folders. So all folders are assigned. So this is just for the sake of distribution among each developer, or among each data entry user. Now we're going to the fourth step. Once you log in with your account, then you are going to see all folders assigned to you in order to start indexing and entering the document information. It's metadata. So we display here again the folders. You can click, you can see the document, then you can start entering the metadata for this. Okay. Of course, you can, for example, if you have a problem in this document, you can start again scan the document. This is the normal data. So I can scan the document or click browse in order to select an electronic file from my hard disk. So as we said, you can make it the whole thing in one step or divide it into 4 steps or 5 steps. So if you want to make everything to be done in one step, then you can directly go to this data entry screen. What you're going to do is scan from here. Of course, once you scan, then you verify this, because of course you have the document, you have everything in order to verify that it is scanned correctly. Plus, once you scan for yourself, then you don't need distribution. And if you have the file electronic, then you can use it from here. So in this screen, you can make everything that you need. You can enter the document as per your requirements. So you can use only one step in order to verify your scanned document. But once you save and finish your document, we may have an extra step, which we call as verify data entry. Like, of course, maybe some mistakes occur. We are human beings and everybody creates mistakes. So here we display all the saved documents that are indexed before. You have here the data and you have here the viewer for your document. So you can easily verify. Once you verify that data quality and everything is done, you can click on verification done in order to finalize the full process. So as you can see, we can have only 4 steps, no need for verification in the last step, or you can do the verification, assign someone to verify, or do only one step, create all 5 stages in only one screen for the data entry. So in 5 easy steps maximum, we have here a very fast way of archiving the documents and transferring them into an electronic format. Now we need 2 things. First thing, during our work, we need some types of statistics. We need to know how work is going on, how scanning is going on. So as you can see from here, we have total count of entered documents as 7. If I need to see the chronological details, then I can see the count and the date. So in this date, I have the 7 documents archived. Now, if you need to see the chronological details for departments, then you can see the department and number of archived documents for each month. And if you need to see it even at the user details, so this is the username, this is the date, and this is the count. So we have 3 levels of statistics. One is per the organization level, then one is the department level, then one is the user level. So you can measure the productivity of each user based on timeline. And here is also another statistics for each stage. You have the number remaining, like number of scanned documents but without processing, nobody processed it, it's 1. Number of verified documents without distribution is 3. Number of distributed documents without data entry is 2. Number of entered documents is 7, and number of verified data entry documents is 1. So the ideal situation here is that we have everything is 0, and number of verified data entry documents is equal to the number of documents available in the organization. So using these statistics, then you can verify how the work is going on daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis, whatever. The final thing that you need is to search. Once you archive the documents, then I need to retrieve it. So you have a lot of search fields here, and you can click on search in order to see the files. Then let us see how we display the files. When you click on view, okay, this is a PDF file. As you can see, this is a standard viewer. You can print, download, rotate clockwise, counterclockwise, hand tool, enter document properties, zooming like this, whether zoom in or zoom out, navigation between pages like this. Even if it has text, you can find, you can display also some nails as a list or grid. So the viewer makes a lot of features. Returning back to the search, now this is PDF file. Okay, for images, okay, this is image also displayed directly, no need for external viewer, it is displayed in line in the screen. Also we can see another type, like of course TIFF is some sort of images, but we have also a flash. If you have SWF like this. So if you have animation using flash, it's a SWF file, then you can display it also in line, and the viewer can see this. If you have video, so the system is not only for archiving documents, it's also for video. So as you see, it is buffering. See, once it downloads, then it displays and runs whatever has been downloaded. And this is the control of media player. You can, you are familiar, of course, in Windows using this kind of files. So as you see, it is very high quality. It is displayed at very fast speed. So this is one advantage we're offering, that you can archive also other files. Even if you downloaded a video from YouTube, you can still play it.
هو باقي انه يسجل الهدف الاول. متى ياتي الهدف الاول في هذه اللقطه؟
So as you can see, this is a video downloaded from YouTube. Instead of watching it online, then you can download it, and as you can see you have the control over so it's nice goal by Ronaldinho from Barcelona. So as you can see, we have a lot of features in the system, like many viewers and some ideas that are not familiar, like displaying from YouTube, displaying flash files, displaying videos. So we can archive any kind of documents along with the paperwork. So as you can see, you have an integrated system. So we offer customization, like you can customize the metadata as much as you want. Any type of integration also can be done. We own the source code, so we can do whatever we need. It's web-based, so you can run it from the internet and archive from anywhere in the world. You can work from home, whatever. It's easy to use. It's web-based. Plus, almost all archiving solutions existing in market, they pay license by user. So for each user, you have to pay extra fees. The main advantage we're offering here is that we do not charge by user. We support unlimited number of users. You don't have to pay extra fees or license for each user. So this is how we sell the system. And in this video, we explored all features that we have in the system. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.